Yeah. It's church. Hey, hey, hey. Feel like a king, feel like a god. I don't think no one can stop me. I'm on my way straight to the top. Then the so sloppy. I know he wish he could copy, but that little boy is just not me. I am a one of a kind. There is nobody else like me. Feel like a king, feel like a god. I don't think no one can stop me. I'm on my way straight to the top. Then so sloppy. I know they wish they could copy, but that little boy is just not me. I am a one of a kind. There's nobody else like me.
Hi folks, Martin Lackey, your easy bake oven expert, Lions Realty Investments, brokered by EXP. So we're going to talk about first-time ownership and explore some great advice and tips for buying your first property. So let's get started with taking our turn. So as you may know, buying a home is one of the biggest decisions that you'll ever make. It's up there with big moments next to getting married and having children. When you haven't bought a property before, all the information can be a little overwhelming. That's why this episode is a good place to start. We'll take you through a lot of things that many homeowners wish they would have known before investing. We're going to take our turn. So first off, before we start searching online for open houses, work out how much you can afford. Don't be out here being all willy-dilly. This means you need to understand how much financing you can secure and what your future work situation looks like. This will not only narrow down your search, but also help you avoid getting your hopes up for a home that you just won't be able to pay back. This also means that you need to head to the bank to start the process on a mortgage approval. This will give you a very specific idea of what a budget you have, and a realtor will take you seriously, like me, once you have all the paperwork sorted out. Overall, this will make the process quicker and more streamlined for you. Don't forget to talk with your family and loved ones about your need for a home. For instance, how many bedrooms and bathrooms you need, because I don't like sharing bathrooms with people, or a garden or garage necessary. There are essential steps that you need to undergo before jumping online to start looking for your dream home. So do your research. It's also important to know that buying a home is much more expensive than renting a place. Many people believe that paying a mortgage will cost less than renting. However, once you own a home, you will be in charge for keeping up with the maintenance. Things can add up fast, especially if there's a major problem. That's why we recommend that you make sure you're debt-free before buying a home. Debt-free. Also, save for emergency fund. This will cover any unexpected costs when you first move in. An emergency fund takes your turn. Next up, you need to be smart about your budget. It is really exciting when you just moved into a home or into your new place. However, people usually want to set up their dream home straight away, and that's not possible when you first move in. That's why you need to budget. Don't buy all the furniture and decor immediately. Don't do that. Pace yourself so you don't send yourself into debt. You have a mortgage now, and you need to make smart purchases. So remember that. Finally, before you buy a house, you should research whether you can afford and receive any support from the government. Many state governments will have programs, tax breaks, loan schemes to first-time homeowners to make their first leap into home ownership. Not every state is the same, and legislation is always changing. So it's important to research all this early enough so you can apply and reap the benefits. We'll talk about that more in future videos. So remember, do your research, set your budget, and know exactly what you're looking for. Thanks for listening, and happy house hunting. We love you guys. Take your turn.